Hello and welcome to Car Key Solutions, London leading auto locksmith company. I'm pleased to inform that now we have a new location in East London, Essex, and more precisely Brentwood. Here, in addition to our services that we already provide on mobile, like car key replacement, car key repair, van security locks, we provide more tasks, those including installation of ghost to immobilizers, one of the most advanced systems on the market to prevent the thefts of the cars, alarm, vehicle trackers, dash camera, and much more. Just to give you a glimpse, today in our workshop we have two vehicles, a Range Rover and an Audi Q8, for which wisely the customer they decide to have the ghost to installed. So if you have any requests starting from car key replacement, car key repair, van security locks, vehicle security, do get in touch and we'll be more than happy to assist you, whether it's in our brand new facility here in Brentwood or one of our other workshops in South or North London, or whether it's mobile for your convenience. Get in touch and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Bye.